Namaste, dosto. Welcome back to Mahayukti AI. Today, we are counting down the top 5 AI tools that Indians need to know about right now. From automating e-commerce to supercharging sales calls, these tools are a game changer for anyone looking to boost their productivity and efficiency. So, let's dive in and explore the latest and greatest in AI technology. TDO AI is a powerful automation tool that helps e-commerce businesses streamline their customer support. With its AI-powered chatbot, you can automate responses to common queries, freeing up time for more complex issues. Did you know that TDO AI can handle multiple languages, including Hindi? 3 use cases for Indians include automating order tracking, providing product recommendations, and offering multilingual support. Pricing starts at free, with paid plans from $29 per month. If you are a small business owner looking to level up your customer support, TDO AI is a must-try. Gong AI is a meeting AI tool that helps sales teams improve their performance. By analyzing sales calls, Gong AI provides coaching and feedback to help reps close more deals. Did you know that Gong AI can integrate with popular CRM systems like Salesforce? 3 use cases for Indians include sales call analysis, coaching, and pipeline management. Pricing is enterprise-only, but trust me, it's worth it. If you are a sales leader looking to supercharge your team's performance, Gong AI is the way to go. Julius AI is a research AI tool that lets you chat with your Excel or CSV data using AI. No coding required. Did you know that Julius AI can handle massive datasets with ease? 3 use cases for Indians include data analysis, visualization, and reporting. Pricing starts at free, with paid plans from $22 per month. If you are a data enthusiast looking to extract insights without breaking a sweat, Julius AI is your new best friend. Obviously, AI is a research AI tool that helps you build prediction models in minutes without coding. Did you know that Obviously AI uses machine learning algorithms to identify patterns in your data? 3 use cases for Indians include predictive modeling, data forecasting, and scenario planning. Pricing starts at $75 per month. If you are a business leader looking to make data-driven decisions, Obviously AI is a no-brainer. Rose AI is a productivity tool that turns your spreadsheet into a super-powered AI assistant. With Rose AI, you can ask questions in plain English and get answers in seconds. Did you know that Rose AI can handle natural language queries? 3 use cases for Indians include data analysis, automation, and reporting. Pricing starts at free, with paid plans from $19 per month. If you are a spreadsheet ninja looking to level up your productivity, Rose AI is a must-try. That's it for this week, folks. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to Mahayukti AI for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. Next week, we'll be counting down the top 5 AI tools for content creation. Don't miss it.